wonderful friends! This is me painting a wonderful Halloween scene, inspired by another picture I saw on the internet. Of course, I cannot paint exactly like the picture, but this is my take on it. I lay down the orange and the green and some yellow, and now I'm going to draw a kitty cat. I isolate the nose, then I highlight the eyes. One reason why I like to lay down the color, major color first, is it gives it a chance to dry, so that by the time I start outlining the details, I can paint safely on the colors underneath it. Like this yellow makes the most perfect cat eyes. When painting on top of another color, you have to be careful how hard you press with your brush, or else the colors bleed through. Black is a very strong color. That's why it's important to leave a space. You don't want to really paint on top of black. It is possible, but tricky. It's always better to leave blank the area inside the black so you can paint it properly. Once I have the heads of my cats, then it's time to start thinking about the ear placement. Oh, did you see that? I just made a mistake. I filled in the ear. I want to paint my ears pink, so I need to remember to leave that space open so the pink does not mix with the black. And now I'm adding the curly tails. And cute kitty cat paws hugging the pumpkins. Now just a little tiny bit of highlighting of black on the pumpkins, but I'm not connecting the lines, just enough to suggest the line of a pumpkin. Because you see, I don't want to run into the black of the paws. Now a quick highlight to the leaves. I'm going to highlight the stars to make these show up just a little bit better. And then finally, the dot of pink on the nose. Notice when I laid the pink flat on top of the black area, I just pressed down and up. I didn't move my paintbrush across the paint. That would have stirred up the black underneath. Like, look at these ears. Where I try to pull the pink up to the ears, the pink darkens because the black paint has started to mix. Again, with this white, when I paint on top, I just press down and lift up to make minimum drag. That'll keep the lines nice and white. Little cute kitty cat claws. Now some highlights, which really brings our pumpkins to life. You don't have to do a lot, just that little bit, just a little hint. And now magic stars to add sparkle to the design. And fill in with sets of 3 dots, all different sizes to create interest. Things that sparkle tend to have a glimmer and fade to them. So these are sparkles at different stages. And there you go. Happy Halloween, everybody.